Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about the how we are going to display the error message at a particular field level. We discussed we have implemented by the scenario 2 and scenario 3. Scenario 2 is the if opportunity stage is the not negotiable, we have to throw an error. Scenario 3 is the they are not select by the industry field is the banking or hospital or technology. We are throwing an error message. These are we discussed in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to discuss about to the how we are going to while updating the data, while for example while the creation time they are not selected by the negotiation or review, but after updating the record they are going to stages changes, right? When they are coming to the negotiation or review, we have to do the calculation again. We have to in this time also we have to throw an errors also if they are not selecting to the negotiation or review, but apply the checkbox is the selected while the editing time also. So we need to throw an error message, or if you valid scenario also we have to do the successfully calculation. So how we are going to that is while updation time, let's check it to the step by step. So let's come to the here same like we have to take it by the another method. This is the before insert, right? Now we have to take it by the before update public static before update. So let's take to the void. So now here I am taking the two parameters, one for the new records, one for the old records. Why? Because means we need to check it by the older value not negotiable. Current value is the negotiable. Then only we have to check it, right. We have to identify the old and new values. Okay, again and again, no need to write. Same, they are modify the different fields other than the stage and apply checkbox. No need to execute the or logic right unnecessarily. So older value, new value checking purpose. So this is the opportunity, new records, and we have to take it by the trigger dot old map. I have everyone aware of that is ID comma opportunity. So OPP old records. Okay, let's save this. So now we have to check it by the same type. Earlier what we have discussing in a same, that is so for loop opportunity OPP. So here we have to the same type conditions in while updation time also we have to check it to the conditions. So here opportunity OPP. So here we have to OPP new records. So let's check it by the here we have to the um get it by the first old record value. We need to compare it opportunity OPP old. So how to get it by the whole record? This is right. This is the map dot get off OPP dot ID. It is written by the old record information. Now compared to the old and new record. So here first is the opportunity account ID not equals to null and OPP. This is the new record, right? That's why OPP applied discount is selected and opportunity stage name previous value not equals to current value OPP old. Prior value they are selecting by the different value, current value they are selecting by the different value. Then only we have to come to the in this. Otherwise, no need to execute by our logic. No, that's why here we are comparing the old and new values. Now here same scenario. If we have to the opportunity stage name equals to negotiation or review, current opportunity stage name. Review So same like we have to hold it by the all the account ID similar way. Earlier what we have taken a same set ID ACC ID is equals to new set of ID. So here we have to take it by the condition add of OPP dot account ID. Similar way, earlier it doesn't not the negotiation or review, they are selecting by the checkbox. No? Same we have to display, right? Discount not applied for this opportunity. Same step we have to apply to the here as well in updation time also. So else opportunity after discount add error discount not applied for this opportunity. So this is the past two case. This is the scenario two. This is the scenario one. Okay. We have the implemented by the at the same time. So we if it is not satisfied in negotiation or review, we have to throw an error. So other than this, it might be they have to pass to scenario. They have the account IDs, right? Come to the outside of the for loop. If ACC IDs is empty, not an is empty. So same scenario, right? Earlier what we have developed right is right, get the account record, same scenario. That's why here we have to take it by separate method, code reusability. So same scenario. So get records. So now here ACC IDs. Same like we have to get it by the calculation also, right? In the calculation also, same we have to calculate now this one. So this is the now opportunity. New records right here we are taking the name is the new records. So same steps. So this is the same we have the repeated. Okay, na? So unnecessarily we have to don't write by the same logic again and again. So reusability logic. This is the reusability logic. Again, we have to get it by the these conditions is satisfied. Then we have to calculating to the our application. Otherwise, we need to throw an error. Okay, same scenarios will be the applied. So control Z. Sorry, save. So before updation time, we have to just to check it by the old value, new value is not matching. If it is the current value is the negotiable review, then we have to do the calculation. Otherwise, it is not throwing an error. Okay. Simply already we have developed right. Same we have the reusability, the same thing. So let's come to the try this one. Cancel. So let's take by the new fresh account. Let's check it. Accounts. Click on new. So test account 123. Okay. So here I'm giving to the industry is the banking. Save. They are creating to the one opportunity. So here test OPP1. First I am checking to the valid scenario. So something. Initially we are given to the different stage. Okay. A negotiation or preview. This is different way I'm giving to the here different stage. I'm selecting to the checkbox. This while creation of time, it throws an error, right? This is why because means the stage is not satisfied. So let's uncheck this, save this. Now this is the our current implementation. Now they are editing to the existing opportunity. Existing opportunity. Okay, again they are changing to the stage is this something. Earlier we have to select by the qualification. Now we have the analysis. Now they have to select by the checkbox. This is the scenario two. Okay, sorry. So actually, we are not called this method into the trigger, right? That's why it is saved. So if trigger dot is before trigger dot is update. So same type we have to the before update trigger dot new comma trigger dot old map. Why? Because means we have taken by the here old map na. This is the old values map. So save here we have to take it by the before update as well. Save. Okay. Now let's try the same opportunity. So I am selecting to the something to the next value proportion. This is the selected. See here. Error is throwing. Earlier we are not called the our class into the trigger. That's why it is saved. See here now. Now it might be they have to selected by the negotiation or review. Save. It will be the save. Why still it is showing? It is the negotiation or review. So let's come to the logic. I think it's not saved. It's showing the star symbol. Okay, so save. Let's see why it is not showing. Old value, new value, both are not equal. Then I think it's this is the problem. So typo mistake. So that's why it is the not executing. Okay, so now let's save this. Save. This is the, that is the here typo mistake. That's why it is coming to this error condition. Okay. So now it is saved proper. Again, you have to edit by the same opportunity. Already this is negotiation. Something other values you have to select say the type or something. This is right. At that time, no need to execute, right? That's why here we have taken by this condition. Prior value, current value, both are not equal only. If both are equal means unnecessarily we have to execute, right? So we have to avoid by the unnecessarily executed by the triggers. That's why we have to identify the prior value and the current value. Okay, so like this we have to identify and we have to calculated by the scenario as well. Okay, I hope it's clear how we are implemented by the before update also. Most of the logic is the same for the insertion time what we are implementing the same. Just we have to the extra condition is the old value, new value we have to check it. If it is old value, new value is the not same, then we have to execute it by the our logic. Then executed by the our logic. Okay. I hope it's clear how we are implemented by the triggers. As for the best practices, this is the Bulkify trigger, how we are implemented by the Bulkify trigger. I hope it's clear. So make sure to practice. So stay tuned for the more real-time scenarios. Thank you, guys.